Florida until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, or just south of Canadville Groves, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source:
And good job in activating on the first header again.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockledge, Cocoa, Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Canadville Groves, and Canadville Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.